Delphinium Ajacis, the delightful rocket larkspur. FAQs by Vu. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. I'm Vu, and today, we delve into the captivating world of Delphinium Ajacis, also known as the rocket larkspur. This enchanting annual boasts vibrant blooms and a graceful presence in gardens. Let's explore everything you need to know about cultivating and appreciating this beauty. What is Delphinium Ajacis? Delphinium Ajacis is a captivating annual flowering plant belonging to the Ranunculaceae family. Native to Eurasia, it flourishes across much of North America as well. Renowned for its striking flower spikes, it graces gardens with blooms in shades of blue, pink, and white. Is Delphinium Ajacis easy to grow? Absolutely. Delphinium Ajacis is a gardener's delight. Here's what makes it a breeze to cultivate. Fast-growing. Witness vibrant blooms erupt within a season, ideal for impatient gardeners like myself. Adaptable. Thrives in various climates, tolerating zones 1 to 12 of the USDA hardiness zone map. Minimal maintenance. Requires minimal fuss, making it perfect for busy schedules. How do I care for Delphinium Ajacis? Here's the simple care routine for your Delphinium Ajacis. Sunlight. Provide ample sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours daily, for optimal flower production. Soil. Well-drained, fertile soil is key. Amend clay soils with sand or compost for better drainage. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry spells. Aim for moist, not soggy soil. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering throughout the season. Pro tip. Pinching back young plants can promote bushier growth and more flower spikes. How tall does Delphinium Ajacis grow? Delphinium Ajacis can reach heights of up to 3 feet, 1 meter, adding a majestic touch to borders and flower beds. Can I grow Delphinium Ajacis from seed? Certainly. Delphinium Ajacis is a rewarding plant to cultivate from seed. Here's a quick guide. Sow seeds. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Transplanting. Once the danger of frost has passed, harden off seedlings and transplant them outdoors. Spacing. Maintain a spacing of 12 to 18 inches between plants for proper air circulation. What are the differences between Delphinium Ajacis and other Delphinium? While both belong to the Delphinium genus, there are key distinctions. Growth habit. Delphinium Ajacis is an annual, completing its life cycle in a single season, while Delphinium species are typically perennials, returning year after year. Flower size. Delphinium Ajacis generally has smaller flowers compared to some taller Delphinium varieties. Maintenance. Delphinium Ajacis requires less maintenance compared to some taller Delphinium species, which may need staking for support. In essence, Delphinium Ajacis offers a low-maintenance option for enjoying the beauty of the Delphinium genus. What are some companion plants for Delphinium Ajacis? Delphinium Ajacis thrives alongside various plants, adding visual interest to your garden. Cosmos creates a delightful textural contrast with its feathery foliage. Yarrow complements the blue hues of Delphinium Ajacis with its golden flowers. Gaura provides a cascading effect with its delicate pink blooms. Experiment and find combinations that resonate with your personal style. Does Delphinium Ajacis have any pests or diseases? While generally resistant, Delphinium Ajacis can be susceptible to slugs and snails. These munch on leaves. Use organic slug and snail control methods. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white powdery spots on leaves. Improve air circulation and consider fungicides if necessary. Early detection and intervention are crucial for maintaining healthy plants. Conclusion. Delphinium Ajacis, a flourishing addition to your garden. Delphinium Ajacis, with its vibrant blooms and easygoing nature, is a wonderful addition to gardens. From its fast growth to minimal maintenance, it caters to gardeners of all experience levels. So, embrace the charm of Delphinium Ajacis and witness your garden flourish.